In this video, I'm going to teach you how to refund your Disney Plus subscription. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For this process, all we have to do is go over to the Disney Plus Help Center. You can find this page by looking for the Help Center for Disney Plus on Google. When you access the first link, you will be taken to this page. At this page, all we have to do is scroll down until we see the Contact Us option. In here, select Get in Touch, and we will be redirected to this page. Click Account and Payment, and select View Your Disney Plus Charges. As you can see on this article, it's going to display to us information about refunds. What they have to say is that under certain circumstances, Disney may issue refunds. If you're subscribed directly through Disney Plus and you've been approved for a refund through the support, which I'm going to show you how to contact, the relevant amount will typically be returned to the original payment method within 14 days. They also go on to add that if you subscribed to a third-party platform like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you need to talk to their support instead. I have videos showing you how to get refunds on both the App Store and the Google Play Store, but to summarize, you simply have to either go to www.reportaproblem.apple.com or open up the Play Store on your phone and go to the Help and Feedback section. Regardless of which method you pick, you will be able to get a refund. To contact the Disney Plus support, if you are subscribed directly to Disney Plus like they describe here, select Get in Touch once again at the bottom of the screen and contact them through any of these two methods. Chat with an advisor or call Disney Plus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.